comes the moment of truth, negotiating term sheets that win competitive deals while protecting your interests and motivating the founders for long-term success. Today, we are diving into the term sheet psychology because the best deals aren't just about who offers the highest valuation. They are about who structures the terms that founders actually want to accept and live with for years. The term sheet psychology foundation. Let's start with what most investors get wrong about the term sheet negotiation. This brings us to the valuation obsession trap. Most investors focus 80% of their attention on the valuation and 20% on terms. Sophisticated investors reverse the ratio, and here's why. The founder's psychology reality, from initial reaction to decision making to long term impact. Founders first look at the valuation, which is mainly a mix of the ego and the validation, and then they choose based on the terms, investor value add, and the relationship. And finally, the terms determine the day to day working relationship for years to come. When we talk about the founder perspective, we have seen founders accept lower valuations from investors who have offered better terms, faster decisions, or more strategic value. The 500K difference in valuation matters less than broad composition when you are building a company for 5 to 7 years. The common mistakes that most investors make out here is competing solely on valuation instead of total value proposition, or optimizing for downside protection at the expense of founder motivation. And then there is also using standard terms without considering the specific founder and the business model. Also, negotiating aggressively on small terms that damage the relationship. Investors need to understand that they need to structure deals that make the founders excited to work with you, not just willing to take your money. A strategic insight out here is that the best term sheets create alignment between investor protection and founder success. When founders win big, investors also win bigger. This brings us to beyond valuations.